Sam, tell me you got the cross.
I got St. Dismas right here. You want to say hi?
Yeah, we really kicked the hornet's nest down here. Ballroom's locked down, security's scrambling.
Hey, Victor, where's our getaway?
Come to the driveway out front. Just follow the spotlights. I'll bring the car around.
Shit!
Sbaragliatevi! Chiunque sia stato non può essere lontano. Se la merce lascia la proprietà ci rimettiamo il culo! Ehi, bastardo! Spera solo di beccarti subito una pallottola in testa! Se i rossi ti beccano vivo ti impiccano davanti alla villa e ti lasciano lì per un anno! Sbaragliatevi! Chiunque sia stato non può essere lontano! Se la merce lascia la proprietà ci rimettiamo il culo! Ehi, bastardo! Spera solo di beccarti subito una pallottola in testa! Se i rossi ti beccano vivo ti impiccano davanti alla villa e ti lasciano lì per un anno! Ho visto qualcosa che si muoveva vicino alla torre! Devi farlo sapere a tutti, cazzo! Tieni gli occhi aperti!
Climb and get a good vantage point.
Merda, se riescono a svignarsela, non ce la faranno. Li troveremo e li riempiremo di buchi. Ma sappiamo cosa fare. Resta concentrato. D'accordo.
I'm on my way. Heading to higher ground to get my bearings.
All right, see you soon.
Yeah.
Non puoi scappare! Tieni fuori, ora! Allora, ha trovato nulla! Non ho trovato niente! È qui intorno! No, niente! Proviamolo!
Non puoi scappare! Qualcuno ha trovato niente? No!
There's the ballroom. Driveway's right in front.
È qui intorno! Prima o poi ti troverò!
Vieni fuori, ora! Ehi, c'è qualcosa lì? No!
There's the ballroom. Driveway's right in front.
Proviamolo!
Okay. Everything's fine. No one got a good look at me. Just gonna play it cool. Stroll right on out of here. Oh. Scuse.
You're not supposed to be back here.
Well, neither are you. But I'll tell you what. I won't tell anyone if you don't.
You have something I want, and you're going to give it to me.
Really? Well, I'm flattered, but I'm afraid I'm spoken for. Oh, if you'll excuse me.
I'm not in the mood for games. Give me the crucifix.
Lady, you're lucky I'm a gentleman. Because if I weren't...
You'd what?
All right, fine. Just remember, I didn't want to do this.
Let's see what you've got. Don't telegraph so much. Nice try.
I gave you that one. Freebie.
Come here. Now hand me the artifact.
Do you know how many artifacts I've collected over the years? You're gonna need to be more specific.
Let me see if I can clarify.
All right, look. I'm still a little jet lagged. How about we just call it even? Oh, son of a...
Have you had enough? Or do you want to keep being a smartass?
You know, you're breaking a lot of expensive stuff in here. If you're not careful, they're gonna kick us out of here. All right, wait! It's in my back pocket.
Where is it?
Right.
Alright, I'm at the car. Where the hell are you guys?
Just met your friend, Nadine Ross. She's lovely.
Yeah? Well, it's total chaos out here. They're trying to keep it contained, but everybody's freaking out. I don't want to rush you, but hurry the hell up.
Nathan, where you at?
Good question. You?
By the ballroom. Look for this round sign thing. It's on the way.
Round sign thing. Check.
Good news is I got a gun. See you soon.
Te lo giuro, ho visto qualcuno che usciva dalla finestra della biblioteca. L'ho sentito, ma non sono riuscito a vederlo. L'hanno stato i tetti. Qui! Vetri rotti! Ho trovato dei vetri rotti!
Sono passati da questa parte!
su! Sull'insegna! Nathan! What are you doing? What's it look like? Oh, shit! Nathan! Catch!
Wait, what?
Oh, crap.
Hey, I got it!
Shot! Nice shooting! You alright?
Yeah, hanging in there.
I can't get to you from here. You got a way down?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I'll meet you at the driveway. Just head towards the ballroom.
All right, see you there. Gli spari venivano da qui. Se tacciate l'aria.
Victor, I'm kind of
Figlio di
stuck here.
puttana.
Any ideas?
Sappiamo che sei qui da
The
qualche
fastest
parte.
way's through the ballroom.
You said the ballroom's locked out.
Yeah, well, now that they know it's you guys, they cleared the place out.
All right, ballroom it is. You get that, Nathan?
Yeah, got it.
Gli spari venivano da qui. Se tacciate l'aria. Figlio di puttana. Sappiamo che sei qui da qualche parte.
Aspetta.
Prima o poi.
Ma che... Cos'è stato?
Okay, almost to the ballroom.
Nathan, I'm pinned down in here. I could use a hand.
On my way, Sam. Oh, good.
Laggiù! Ho sentito qualcosa!
Andiamo a dare un'occhiata.
Un attimo.
Non era niente.
Laggiù!
Oh,
Ho
good.
sentito qualcosa!
Andiamo a dare un'occhiata.
Aspetta.
Cosa sta? Ehi!
Jesus Christ, Nathan!
Hey, how's it going?
I think I'm done with this auction, huh?
Oh, yeah. Me too.
All right, boys, change of plan. Too many people trying to leave. The driveway's all jammed up.
We're surrounded.
Where's our backup?
There's that fountain just outside the ballroom. I'll meet you there.
Got it. Let's go.
Nathan! I hope I don't go to hell for this. Shit.
What?
It's empty.
What? Oh, you're such an asshole.
He's your brother. All right, skull and crossbones. Very good sign.
It's Avery's insignia. What is this? Hodie mecum eris in paradiso.
Today you will join me in paradise.
It's what Jesus said to Saint Dismas on the cross.
Right.
But what about these numbers here? What do you make of this?
Some kind of code. Or a phone number.
Come on. The dates.
Huh?
Look. 1659.
It's the year Avery was born.
1699.
Let me guess. The year he died.
Well, by most accounts, yeah, but it means we have date of birth, date of death, and paradise. Which means we're looking for Avery's grave.
St. Dismas's Cathedral.
Wait a second. Hasn't Rafe been scouring that site for ages already?
Yeah, the cathedral. See these symbols?
Yeah.
These are found on old Scottish gravestones.
Right.
Right? Now, look at this. The layout of this place is really unusual. Here's the cathedral, but the graveyard is way over here.
Rafe's been focusing on the wrong area.
Exactly.
Guys, we're going to Scotland.
All right. Wait up. You do realize that Rafe knows you're coming.
Yeah, we can deal with that when we get there.
Look, that psycho would like nothing better than for you to show up. Plus, he's got Nadine and a whole army to back him up.
Yeah, but he doesn't have this. The biggest pirate treasure of all time is within our grasp.
I thought this was about saving Sam.
It is. Now, come on, it's both, right? We need the treasure so we can save Sam.
How is Elena cool with all this? Jesus, kid.
Look, it's just not that simple.
Look, with all that you two have been through together,
She wouldn't understand this.
you are not giving her enough credit.
I can't take that chance.
Nathan, he's right. Things have changed. Rafe's involved now, and I can take this on my own, really.
Great. Well, thank you for your input, both of you. Excuse me. Hey. Hey, it's me, yeah. No, the reception's lousy.
Something on your mind, dear?
Look, I realize it couldn't have been easy. All those years away. And I'm sorry for what happened to you. But it's not his fault.
I never said that it was.
It took a long time for him to get out of this game.
You see a gun to his head? He chose this. Okay, he's meant for this life.
You really believe that?
Why are you here, Victor?
Because somebody's got to keep an eye out for him.
No, I'll just see you in a few more weeks. Yeah, I will. Okay. I love you too. Bye. Just told her that the job was going to take a little longer than expected, which is the truth. Right? So come on, what do you say? Sam could still use our help.
Well, I do hear that the weather is particularly fine in Scotland this time of year.
I know. Rafe's really going all in, isn't he?
Well, they're all concentrated around the cathedral, so that's good. Because we are going to have that graveyard all to ourselves. Sully.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, we're good to go here.
Okay, kids. Happy hunting.
Nice chance to come with.
Yeah, well, unless you can find me an escalator, I think I'll pass.
All right. See you in a few.
Hey, Nate.
Yeah.
Just bring me back something shiny, will you?
That's the plan.
Well, let's go pay our respects to Captain Avery, huh?